Alright folks, what we have here is a Craftsman ride-on tractor. 6-speed, 42-inch cut, Kohler motor. Don't know what year this is. What we're going to do is change the belt. Okay, the belt snapped on it. There it is right there. But just want to let you know that this belt that we got from Tractor Trailer Supply is not the belt. So don't get this belt. It's too short. You're gonna have to go a little longer. But by that time I already took it apart. So I just want to show you what is required to put this belt on. Alright. What I did was I took a 27mm Torx, remove these two screws, and just pull this back a little bit. Right? There's a little brace that holds the belt so it doesn't fly off. But what you need to do is, when you take your new belt, okay, your new belt is going to go in between those two pulleys. Alright? You're going to shove it through these two new pulleys, and it's going to come out and wrap around this motor. Okay. Alright? So when I mean wrap around the pulleys, I'm going to show you. Let me just show you an example on this one. This is the old belt. You can get an idea of what I'm talking about. So what you can do is you're going to hold it together like this, and then shove it right through. This is one pulley, that's the other pulley. Alright, you're going to shove it right through the two pulleys and put this around the engine part of it. Alright, and this is going to go around one pulley this way, and it's going to go around the pulley the other way. Alright, so I'm just going to show you that piece right here. I'm going to show it. I'm going to wrap it around that engine right there. Okay, that's the way that's going to sit, just like that. This is going to go on this side of the pulley. All right, there's a little brace in there for it. All right, there's a little guard that stops the belt from coming out. You can just bend it back a little bit and put the belt and put this belt in there. Same thing for the other side. Now, in order for you to get to the left blade, which is the one under this cover right here, what you need to do is you need to take this little pin off. Okay, there's a little hard pin, horseshoe pin, clevis pin. I think that's the right thing for it. Just pull it out, move this rod out of the way. Okay, and the belt is going to go up and over. So I'm going to show you my hand over here. Okay, this belt is going to go up, over, this way. Okay, so you want it on this side of this bracket. So this thing is going to go here like this. Okay, once it goes like that, this is going to go into this pulley that's over here. Okay, there's another little belt guard over here. Just bend it back a little bit, and the belt is going to go in. All right, so this is going to wrap around this way. You got that? So around the motor, the back end is going to touch this idler pulley. Take this clevis pin off, stick it around that bracket. Then you're going to come around and you're going to grab this pulley here. Okay, now this one is going to run straight across. By running straight across on the bottom, you got to take this clevis pin off. Okay, this clevis pin has to come out. That way you can lay the belt underneath. Okay, so once it's underneath, then this one is going to run straight across to the other pulley. Alright, so once it wraps around here to this pulley, it's going to stretch around to the other one. So I want to bring you around to that one. Hold on. Now on this side, it's the same thing. Okay, remember, take the clevis pin off of that rod. The belt would now lay on the bottom. You're going to come around. I'm going to wrap it around here. I'm going to put it here. Right, these are those little metal things that I told you about, little guards. Okay, you can bend them back. This one is spring loaded. You bring it back, the belt goes in there. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. It's going to go here, going straight across to the other blade. Okay, this one here, remember this is the one that's hooked up to the motor at the front. Okay, this one here, oops, almost fell. This one here is going to go in the back of it. Same thing, you move those little metal guards, and I'm going to sit right in there. Okay, and that's it. All right, very simple. Got this guard over here to prevent it from flying out. You can just go around it, just like that. And the belt's going to sit in there. All right, people, there it is. So around the motor, down the middle between the two eyelets. All right, because on the eyelets, the back of the belt is going to touch. Okay, not the front V's. Going to touch the back. It's going to come around this way towards the right blade pulley. Going to run straight across. Don't forget, you got to take that clevis pin off that rod. Okay, take the clevis pin off that rod. The belt's going to lay down. All right, and that's it. Just got to go to the store and get another belt, because this one's too short and you can't make it fit. There's no way you can stretch it. All right, don't forget to put all the clevis pins back. Double check your work, and it's good. All right, this belt is too tight. Even if I forced it on, it's just going to spin. The blade's got to spin. It's just way too tight. It's got to have at least a 1/2 inch play, so that when you put it with the blades off, the blade's not going to cut anybody's feet off. All right, because with this one, it's very, very tight. All right, you don't have to take this pulley off over here, but I took it off just to verify. But this is a 13mm nut. Bearings are spinning nice and fine, and that's it. All right, like I said, around the motor, around here. Okay, the hardest part is this clevis pin, because this deck is a little hard. Watch your fingers. So it's one clevis pin there, and one clevis pin there, and you're good to go. All right, ciao. Next time, enjoy. All right, so this is the model number on this tractor. Okay, 917.271013. All right, the belt is 88 inches long. All right, that's what it is. The one we got was 86. All right, that's it. Ciao. All right, so the new belt is here. Tractor Trailer Supply. It is an 88 inch. That's the one that the Craftsman, partsdirect.com shows. Went to the store, got the right one, and it fits right in. All right. Remember what I said. It's got to come through the back. Goes through the back. Take this little rod off. Okay, takes the little rod off because the belt goes underneath it. Stick it right through the middle between the two pulleys. Wrap it around the engine. Comes back this way on the left side. This one here, in order to get it past this bracket, pull the clevis pin. Get this out of the way. The belt will fall back under. Go around this pulley. Don't forget there's a guard over here on the inside that holds the belt. It's going to run all the way across to the other side. All right, clevis pin here, clevis pin there. Belt goes through the middle. The back end touches this pulley. Goes around here, and I'm going to show you what's on the other side. And on this side, same thing. This is the other side. The back touches that pulley. Don't forget there's a little two guards over there. This guard over here is spring loaded. Just pull this back. Belt goes around here. Okay, this is the part that gets a little tight right here. What you do is just spin the whole motor assembly, and it's in. All right, put the clevis pin in. This should be loose. You see, this should be loose because this is in neutral. This is with the belt off. Okay, and don't worry about this hitting, because once this comes in like that, it's going to pull it away. All right, that's the way it's designed. This piece here is attached to that handle, so when you engage it, it pulls it back. All right, clevis pins in, belts are on. Okay, of course this thing is maxed all the way down. That's why it's such on a bad angle. See the belt? Once it comes up even, you'll be just fine. Alrighty. That's it. Okay. Remember what I told you about that belt touching that bracket? Alright. This is the lever that engages the belt. Alright, watch, I'm gonna move it up with this one hand here. Okay, see it? It goes away. Alright, even in the up position, let's pull this back. Full max height, it's still far away. Okay, so you're good.